Hello, welcome to my channel Code Invincible. In this video, I will show you how we can install Automation Anywhere Community Edition in your Windows system. So Automation Anywhere is a RPA tool, and using Community Edition, you will be able to learn this tool, like create bots and run those bots. Before installation, please make sure you're working on Windows 7 or the later version like Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows Server. You should have sufficient amount of memory like 4 GB of RAM or more. Automation Anywhere Community Edition is free to use. It is for learning purpose, and it will take few steps to install Automation Anywhere. First, you have to do registration or sign up in Automation in your website. After that, you have to install bot agent in your system. And after setting credentials, you will be good to go. Once done, we will create a simple bot to run it. Alright, let's start. First, we'll start with the registration process. So for that, you have to open your favorite browser. I will open Google Chrome in my system. Once open, you have to search Automation Anywhere Community Edition. Once you search that, you will see the first link, which is Community Edition Free RPA. You have to open that link. Click on Accept All Cookies button. Here, you have to fill the form. Make sure you are entering valid details. Email address should be valid. It will use as your username. I will start entering these details. I will enter India as my country, so it's up to you. You can select another country. Once done, you have to click on this checkbox. You can also read the terms and condition, and after that you have to click on this button, which is Get Free Community Edition. After this, you will get redirected to this page. You will receive an email from Automation Anywhere, so you have to open your email box. I will open my Gmail account. Here you will see this email, and here you will get all those details. So this is control room URL, and all this detail you need to save it somewhere, like you can bookmark this control room URL. We are going to need this URL in the following steps. This is your username, and you have to set the password. So it is only one time activity. You just have to click on this link. Once you open this link, you will ask for the password. So I will enter my password. You just have to set a new password here. Once that, you have to click on next. So once you click on next button, you have to enter 3 questions and its respective answers. I will start entering those questions. So it's up to you. You can choose your question and enter the answer. Once you enter the details, you just have to click save and login. So I'll click on this button. It will take few minutes to open the page. After that, you will see the control room. Here you can click on dismiss or remind later. I will click on dismiss button. So our first step is completed, which is registration process or sign up process. Now we'll move to the second step, which is control room process. So first we need to install bot agent, and then we need to set credentials. This is the control room. Here you can explore the tabs, but first you have to connect the bot agent. To do that, you have to click on this button, bot running device. Here we need to click on connect local device. After that, we have to click on connect to my computer. It will start downloading Automation Anywhere bot agent. So it will take few minutes to complete, depends on your internet speed. So let's wait for it. Once the downloading completed, you just have to open that folder. So I will click on show in folder. Here you will see the Automation Anywhere bot agent exe file. Just double click on it. It will start the automation anywhere bot agent exe file. It will extract the details and it will start the installer. You have to keep the default option and click on the install button. It will ask for your permission. Just click on yes button. It will start installation. So automation in your bot agent connects the control room with your system so that you can easily create bots and run the bots. Once done, click on finish button. Open the browser again. Here you will see it is connecting the computer to the control room. Once it will connect to your computer, you just have to click on the done button. After that, you just have to do one more step, which is credential. So you have to set your credentials. So you just have to click on this button or this link. Here in credentials, you have to click on edit. So this username text box will be empty. You just need to click on refresh button. It will automatically populate the username from your system, and then you just have to click on save changes. Once it is done, you will see your control room is connected to the bot agent. Now you're good to create bots and deploy the bots. So what I'll do, I will go to home and then I will click on this button, which is create a bot. So I will create a simple bot, let's say hello world bot. You can also give the description here. It is optional field. Then you just have to click on create and edit. So you will see this is the editor. Here you can develop the bot. You can see there are multiple tabs, variable, action and triggers. So in action tab, you have to search message. So this is message box. What I will do, I will simply print the message box here. So here you just need to print something. Let's say I will say hello world. After that, you just have to click save button. Once done, you have to click on run. So initially it will take time to deploy your bot to your system. It might take a couple of minutes. So you just have to wait for it. It will download the dependency like message box. It is a dependency. It will download it. Make sure your internet connection is stable. So now it is started the bot. Soon it will display the message box. So here is the message box. You'll see hello world. You can close this box. All right, your bot ran successfully. Now you can close this as well. So these are the few simple steps to install automation in your community edition in your system. Hope you haven't faced any issue. If you face any issue, you can mention those in the comment section. I will definitely answer you those. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe this channel. I will post more videos like this. Thanks again.